I'm recording this video with Redmi Note 9 Pro camera, and I'm just driving the bike. Let me show you the stability of the screen. Yes guys, the best thing is the camera stability is right driving, as it will increase speed of the vehicle, so it will provide us a better result for the speed. So guys, stay tuned for more updates and please subscribe to our channel.